Your cover lesson today is going to be primarily focused on answering this exam question. What caused the start of World War One? You may use militarism and the role of the Kaiser. So this is very similar to the essay that you did on your slavery assessment of what caused the abolition of slavery. So what you're going to do is you're going to write for me 3 PEE paragraphs explaining what caused the start of World War One. Now, I don't think I've been in for us to do the Kaiser together, so you may want to look up the Kaiser individually. And the best video for that, if you type in on YouTube Kaiser Wilhelm II, there are these which are reasonable, but this one here, the fourth one, like Alpha History, is really good, and I'd recommend you watch that to be able to answer this question. So what you're going to do is your title can just be this at the start, and you're going to need to revise the long-term causes, which are main, militarism, alliances, imperialism, and nationalism, and I will attach the PowerPoint, which that is on for you to do some notes and revision. You need to do something on the Kaiser, and you can watch the video for that, and you need to come up with a third and final one, which could be, I would recommend, the assassination of Franz Ferdinand, and obviously you can go back and watch videos on that or look at your notes from last lesson. You're going to do 3 PEE paragraphs. So each one will structure of, you say one, you make your point and say one cause at the start of World War One was whatever. You then include some evidence, and please ensure you focus on spend. So if you haven't got a statistic, a place, an event's name or date in there, then it's not very good evidence. And then finally, you're going to link it all back together and explain how whatever evidence you've used proves your point. And you're going to do 3 PEE paragraphs in that manner. You do not need to tell me what you think the main reason was or what the main cause was. You just need to tell me, here's one reason, evidence explained, here's another, evidence explained, here's a third, evidence explained. So in today's lesson, what I'd like you to do is firstly go back over your notes of long-term causes, watch the Kaiser video, and then I would like you to plan out your answer. So what is each paragraph going to be about? What evidence are you going to use? And how does that evidence prove your point? When it's planned out, I would like you to write it. Now, you can use your notes for this, but this will be marked by me and entered into my spreadsheet. So this is a quite important exercise. So hopefully by the end of today's lesson, you will have planned, researched and written a 12-mark, 3-paragraph what caused the start of World War One. You should not be spending more than 20 minutes on the actual writing out of the question. If you finish, you can start researching something called the Schlieffen Plan. That's SCHLIEFFEN, as that's what we'll be doing when I return to school next week. If you do have any questions regarding the task today, I will be on Firefly for the duration of the lesson and will be able to respond to any queries you may have. Apart from that, you need to research, plan, and then write out that exam question at the top. That can be your title. And then if you finish, research the Schlieffen Plan and make the notes in your book. All this work needs to be done in your exercise books, please. All right, thank you.